Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress like Erika from Barbie as the princess and the Pauper in Dress to Impress. Okay guys, this is for the outfit. First of all, you can choose this hairstyle and you're going to color it like this and put on these heels, make it this color. And you're going to put on this necklace, make it this blue color for the first section. And then gold color for the second selection and also the third selection, and put on this flower crown and you're going to color it like this for the first selection, second selection, third selection, fourth selection, and fifth selection. And then you can do little adjustment. You can position it like this, rotate, and then scale. Okay, and then you're going to open up this box and we're going to choose this corset. Okay, and I'm going to remove the bows. And for the first selection, I'm going to make it this color. Okay, and for the top, make it this blue color. And for the ruffles, I'm going to make it this color. Alright, and for the lace, I'm gonna make it this color. And the lace to make it this color, and then we're going to change the material to glitter for the first selection until the third selection. Okay, and again we're going to make it this blue color. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the world culture clothing area and put on this skirt. Make it this blue color for the first selection and also the second selection, and then we're going to change the material to glitter as well. Okay, and sorry guys, sometimes my glitter is not working, but if the glitter can appear, it will be so beautiful. Okay, then you're going to put on this dress, and for this dress we're going to choose the skirt only. Okay, and again we're going to make it this blue color, and again make it glitter. And then you're going to put on this dress, choose the only sleeves, and for the first selection you're going to color it with this blue color and color it this pink color for the second selection and make it glitter. Okay, and we're going to move to the changing room. And we're going to choose this skirt, remove the layer, and apply the same blue color and make it glitter. And then I'm gonna go to the withered rosette. We can choose this skirt, choose only skirt, no layer, and then we're going to make it this blue color and make it glitter. Alright, and then move to the VIP room, and the last one I'm going to put on this cape. Okay, this one guys, and then choose only cape light air and apply this blue color and make it glitter. Okay guys, and this is the final result. Alright, and that's all the way to recreate Erika from Barbie as the princess and the Pauper in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!